we go. Today I am using my 7.5 foot ACC crappie sticks. Have a little 1/16 ounce jig. I'm using a black and chartreuse swirl tail today. Right now it is about 80-degree water temperature. The air temperature right now is a little bit less than that, but it's going to get up to about 91 today. And I am sitting on a ledge that runs about from 4 feet to about 12, 13 feet. And there's some brush piles along here, and there's some roaming open water fish along this ledge that we're fishing today. So we're gonna see what we can do. If you haven't done so, hit that subscribe button. Smash that like button for me. We're keeping these videos coming. Hope you enjoy. We really appreciate the support. Here we go. Let's see if we can get some in the boat. There he is. There's a fish. Oh yeah. There we go. He's pulling all my drag. Pig. Wow. First catch of the day. Look at that. Haha, beautiful. You gotta love it. Gotta love it, gotta love it. Beautiful, beautiful fish. What do we got? What do we got? What do we got? I think we got a, oh yeah. Oh yeah, come here. There we go. There we go. Good fish. Good fish. There we go. That's all right. I got you. I got you. There we go. Nice fish. Nice fish. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. There we go. Ooh, ah. Haha. That'll work. Woo! Beautiful. Beautiful. All right, let's see what we can do. We're still in about 10, 11 feet of water. Water temperature over here is about 82 degrees. Seeing some marks about 6 feet down. Let's see here. Come on. Let's see if I can pull up one. Here we go. What do we got here? Oh! Oh yeah, he's running. Come here. Oh, come here. Oh yeah. My soul, get in this boat. Ha 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 ha. What a pig. Oh, gotcha. Beautiful. Nice, nice, nice. All right, let's try it again. Let's go. Let's get them. Come on, fish. All right, there you go. Come on. Come on, come on, come on. There we go. Come here. Oh, yeah. Come here, you. There we go. Oh! Oh, he was right there at the top. Oh! Come here. There we go. Get in here. Come here. It's all right. It's all right. I got you. I got you. Oh, yeah. There we go. All right. All right. There we go. Oh, yeah. Come here. Ooh. Oh. Get out of there. Oh my gosh, you choked that thing. Wow. Get the pliers on him. And downtown. There we go. There we go. Nice. Oh, get in this boat. Here we go. There we are. That's what we're looking for. Nice fish. Oh, what in the world? Good gracious, he don't want to be caught. Ugh. Ugh, come here. Wow. Get in this boat. Oh. Nice. There we are. Woo! Ha-ha. That's what I'm talking about. Ha-ha. Oh. Oh, yeah. Come here. Oh, baby. Don't get in that motor. Don't you do it. All right. Come here. Get in this boat. There we go. It's all right. I got you. We're going to let you go. We're going to turn you loose. We're going to turn you loose. There we are. Ha ha. All right, folks. We're going to call it a day with that one. Had a good day. Caught some nice fish. Fished that black and chartreuse swirltail all day long. Didn't change colors not one time. Caught fish all day long with that one color. Fished a couple different places. Had a good time. Y'all stay tuned. We're going to keep bringing them. Appreciate y'all's support. We'll see y'all next time.